What if I told you there's a simple movement that could help you get up from your favorite chair without using your hands, walk upstairs without gripping the handrail, and feel 10 years younger in just 5 minutes a day? And here's the kicker. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or even to break a sweat. In fact, one of these squats you can do while literally resting. I know what you're thinking. Squats at my age? But hold on, because these aren't your typical gym squats. These are specially designed for us wonderful folks over 60. And by the end of this video, you'll discover why thousands of seniors are calling this their fountain of youth exercise. Drop a comment right now and tell me, what's the one thing you wish you could do more easily? Getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or just feeling steadier on your feet? I read every single comment. I'm your host, and I've been helping seniors just like you rediscover the joy of movement without the pain, strain, or intimidation. Today, we're diving deep into 5 special types of squats that will revolutionize how you feel and move. Here's what's coming up: why traditional squats can actually harm seniors, and what to do instead. 5 resting squats that build strength while being gentle on your joints. The surprising benefit that happens in just week 1. And stick around for squat number 5. It's so relaxing, it actually lowers your blood pressure. But first, let me share something that might surprise you. Last month, I received a letter from Margaret, 74 years old, from Ohio. She wrote, "6 months ago, I couldn't get out of my recliner without my son's help. I felt like a burden. Today, I not only stand up on my own, but I gardened for 3 hours yesterday. My grandchildren can't believe how spry Grandma has become." What changed Margaret's life? Just 5 minutes a day of what she calls her magic squats. Exercise number 1. Chair squats. Sit to stand. Let's start with the foundation, the chair squat, or as I like to call it, the dignity builder. Setup. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your thighs or cross them over your chest. Lean slightly forward from your hips. The movement. Push through your heels and stand up smoothly. Pause for a moment at the top. Slowly lower back down, stopping just before you touch the chair. Repeat 8 to 10 times. Why this works? This mimics exactly what you need in daily life. Getting up from chairs, toilets, car seats. You're training your body for real-world strength. Margaret's tip. I started doing these during commercial breaks. By the end of my favorite show, I'd done 30 without even thinking about it. Progression. Start with using your hands, then progress to no hands, then add a pause at the bottom. This next exercise is what I call the confidence creator, and it's perfect for those who want to build strength but need extra support. Exercise number 2. Wall squats. This is pure genius for anyone who's worried about balance or falling. Setup. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 12 inches out. Your back should be flat against the wall. Feet shoulder width apart. The movement. Slowly slide down the wall like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Stop when your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as comfortable. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Slowly slide back up. Why this is magical? The wall completely supports your back, eliminating balance concerns. You can focus purely on building leg strength without fear. Pro tip: place a small pillow between your lower back and the wall for extra comfort. Exercise number 3. Countertop or chair hold squats. If you're in your kitchen right now, you can literally try this as we go. Who's going to do this with me? Drop a strength sign if you're ready. Setup. Stand facing your kitchen counter or the back of a sturdy chair. Hold on to the edge lightly, just for balance, not for support. Feet hip width apart. The movement. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting on an invisible stool. Keep your chest up, knees tracking over your toes. Go only as low as comfortable. Rise back up smoothly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. The secret? This teaches you proper squat form while having that psychological safety of something to hold on to. Exercise number 4. Partial squats. Here's where it gets exciting. This exercise can be done anywhere, anytime, and it's so gentle that even if you haven't exercised in years, you can do this. Setup. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Arms can be at your sides or crossed over your chest. The movement. Lower down only 6 to 8 inches, like you're barely sitting down. Focus on pushing your hips back. Keep your weight in your heels. Rise back up. Repeat 15 to 20 times. Why this works? You get 80% of the benefit with only 20% of the stress. Perfect for building confidence and strength simultaneously. Daily life application? Practice this while waiting for your coffee to brew, during TV commercials, or while chatting on the phone. The big reveal. Exercise number 5. This final exercise is so revolutionary that when my 78-year-old neighbor tried it, she said it was better than meditation. And yes, it actually helps lower blood pressure. Can you guess what it might be? Drop your guess in the comments. Exercise number 5. Resting squat with support, the game changer. This is the movement that changes everything. The resting squat. Setup. Hold on to a sturdy surface, chair, counter, or wall. Lower into a comfortable squat position. Find your sweet spot, where you feel stable and supported. The magic. Instead of moving up and down, you simply rest here. Hold for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Breathe deeply and naturally. Let your hips gently open and stretch. Why this is revolutionary? Improves hip flexibility without strain. Naturally lowers blood pressure through deep breathing. Strengthens your legs through isometric holding. Calms your nervous system. Improves digestion by gently massaging internal organs. Margaret's discovery. This became my evening ritual. I hold this position while watching the sunset on my porch. It's become my moving meditation. The transformation promise. Here's what happens when you commit to just 5 minutes a day. Week 1, you'll notice getting up from chairs feels easier. Week 2, your balance improves, you feel more stable. Week 3, stairs become manageable, confidence soars. Week 4, friends and family start noticing your improved posture and energy. But here's the most beautiful part. It's not just about physical strength. It's about reclaiming your independence, your confidence, and your joy in movement. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. Try just one of these squats today. Just one. Choose the one that felt most doable for you. I want to hear from you. Which squat are you going to try first? What's your biggest challenge with mobility right now? If you try one today, come back and tell me how it felt. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. I share new gentle movement videos every week, specifically designed for our wonderful senior community. And remember, every time you choose movement, you're not just exercising your body. You're exercising your right to feel vibrant, strong, and capable at any age. Your journey to strength starts with a single squat. You've got this, and I've got your back every step of the way. See you in the next video, where we'll explore the 3-minute morning routine that eliminates back pain. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. What's one thing from today's video that surprised you the most? I read and respond to every comment within 24 hours. This is our community, and your voice matters.